It's time now we have to stop asking for what society can do for us, and we have to start acting. We have to start thinking of what we can do to give back to society, right? So in this particular video, I'm going to share with you how do you find your purpose and how do you pursue that purpose, right? How do you make your things become reality, and how do you live a better life that is going to contribute to others? So find your calling and respond to that calling. So you stay tuned in, and I will see you in a few moments. Hi, good day. I'm back again. Thank you so much for following me and following our different content that we are designing and posting on our social networks. As I was saying today, we want to discuss a topic which is how do you find your purpose, and how you make that purpose become a reality and to contribute to something else. So we know that society is going through so many difficulties, and it's time now, all of us, we are facing those different challenges, right? So it's time now we have to think of how do we contribute to something, and how do we make sure that you are going to contribute to somebody around you. Because the thing that we have to understand is that we have to stop looking at the window and we have to start looking at the mirror, right? So you don't have to look for the window and say, who is going to solve my challenge? Who is going to do that? Who is going to do that? Somebody is going to come. Somebody is going to help you out. But the first thing you have to do is that you have to understand that you have to solve also somebody else's problem. So you ask yourself, what are the challenges? Right? So you have so many challenges. Explore those different challenges that are going on, probably education issue, human rights, or gender equality, or environmental impact, or climate change, or animal rights. So whatever it is, you can find somewhere where you want to contribute. You want to make a kind of contribution to solve those kind of challenges. And whenever you can identify 3 of them, at least 3 of them, so you say, okay, probably I'm interested in human rights, so I want to promote human rights, and I want to make sure that I can fight also against the climate change, and maybe I can work on what we are going to call maybe animal protection or whatever it is, right? So you find 3 of them. Now you have to ask yourself, which one do I want to solve? Which one I think that I can deeply contribute to those things? So if I can contribute to it, I'm going to solve something, right? So when you identify those things, and you know that this is what you can do to contribute to those things, then you have to come up with some solution. You have to look for some solutions. What kind of solution can I bring to the table? What can I do? So you have to give yourself that opportunity to contribute to something or to somebody, right? This is how we can improve our society. This is what we can do to help other people around us, because if we do it, then we are going to bring something to the table which is going to allow people also, to understand how that person is creating an impact, how we can support that person, or how we can do that, how we can do this, and you are motivating also somebody around you. So this is the first thing you can do to find that calling. You have to find it. You discover, you identify, and you work on it, right? So somebody is going to work also, he's going to help you out, he's going to work with you, he's going to give you some suggestions, he's going to come up with some maybe some ideas that they have and they want to contribute. So you are going to find out that your problem that you had yesterday is being solved by somebody else, as I said in the beginning. And then after discovering those things, what you need to do is to find some compelling reasons. So some reasons that are going to push you, that are going to motivate, that are going to tell you, wake up, it's time to wake up, to contribute to something. Because every single day, a small action that you are going to take are going to allow people around you also are going to allow you to get closer to those different ideas. So if you want to step toward those things that you have, those things that you set, those goals, those visions that you had, those contributions you want to make, then every single day you have to take a small step. You have to work on it step by step. You do it, and somebody is going to say, okay, this is how I think we can do. This is how we can do it. This is what we can do. This is what we can do. This kind of adjustment, as I'm saying in the beginning, right? So you have to ask yourself, what needs to be done, right? What can I do? Okay, why am I the right person to do it? Because if I see it, it means that it's a gift that I have, right? It's a calling, and I have to respond to that calling That's why I say we are going to discover how we respond to that calling. And then you don't have to look at the window, because you don't have to look for, okay, this is what I see, this is what I have as a vision. You over there, I know you can solve it. No, if you have that vision, it means that you can solve it. That's why you discover that issue. So it's time now. You have to start acting on it, right? So remember that each one of us has the capacity to do something, has the capacity to contribute to something, to solve the challenge. As I'm saying, if you identify education and you want to contribute to young people, you want to say, okay, I want to help young people to develop some skills, some competencies, to become somebody in the future, then you have to have some kind of a project that are going to guide you toward education issues. You have to solve. You have to change your mindset. Whatever you are doing, you have to understand that all of us, we can contribute to those things. We can do something. We can take every single step that we can take, and we can change our society. Because it's time now, as I'm saying, to stop asking what society can do for you, and start acting on what, and asking yourself what you can do for society. Because society needs more from you than you need from society, right? So I thank you so much. And I believe in you. I know we can change the world if every single person is trying to take a small step. And thank you so much for following this video. And I see you in the next.